How do I winterize my car battery? Are you ready to tackle winter driving? One of the most important things to consider is your car battery. Let's talk about how to winterize it so you can avoid any surprises when the temperatures drop. First, make sure your battery is fully charged before winter arrives. A fully charged battery is less likely to freeze and will perform better in cold weather. If you plan to park your car for a long time, disconnect the battery terminals. This helps prevent slow power drains that can weaken your battery over time. If possible, store your car or battery in a dry, sheltered place. Moisture and freezing temperatures can cause serious damage. Regularly check your battery for signs of corrosion, which looks like a white or green powdery substance around the terminals. If you see any, clean it off. Keeping the terminals clean is key to maintaining a good electrical connection. Before winter hits, have your battery tested, especially if it is more than a few years old or if you have had starting problems. Batteries can lose up to 50% of their capacity in cold weather. A healthy battery is essential for reliable starts. Using a trickle charger or a battery maintainer during winter can keep your battery charged without overcharging it. This is especially useful if you don't drive often or only take short trips. Make sure any charger you use is compatible with your battery type. It is also a good idea to keep jumper cables or a jump starter pack in your car. This way, you have a backup plan if your battery dies. Try to avoid short trips during winter, as they do not give the battery enough time to recharge fully. To recap, winterizing your car battery involves fully charging it before winter, disconnecting terminals if you are storing the car long-term, and keeping it in a dry place. Regularly clean any corrosion from terminals, test your battery health, and use a trickle charger if needed. Lastly, always keep jumper cables or a jump starter handy. Following these steps will help ensure your car starts reliably on those cold winter mornings. For teenagers new to car ownership, learning these basics is a smart way to take care of your vehicle and stay safe during winter driving.